Welcome back. I will now show you what we're going to try and do. So we have a great deal of work. There's a lot of things we don't like about this landscaping that we're going to change, and we've already done a little bit, but here we go. See, our front yard, it's pretty basic landscaping. It is what it is. So we're hoping to change that. We had a big sisal tree just in that area over there that we had removed. We're hoping to replace it with a mesquite tree, one that has a good variety of edible beans. Now, we had this really big side yard here that was open to the street, and because of our HOA requirements, we couldn't do anything with it. And you can see it's absolutely massive. Well, we had a guy come in and put in that wall, and shortly we'll have a gate there. We're just waiting for the gate to get installed, and that closes off the side yard. Yes, I got the HOA approval, thankfully, and they allowed us to do it. And this is going to open up this entire side yard where we can hopefully have a raised bed garden, maybe some other fruiting plants. Still working on what I want to put in here, but as you can see, it's quite large. Welcome to our backyard. As you can see, pretty standard landscaping. There's one of my little fur babies. Ella. And there's the other fur baby. That's Ella. These two are my shadows. They go everywhere with me and keep me company and a great deal of joy. Okay, so as you can see, we have quite a bit of turf back here. Most of that's going to come out. We are going to get rid of that and leave maybe just a portion in this area for the dogs. We have multiple citrus trees. We have an orange there. We have or orange, sorry, excuse my speech. And then we have a dead one there. And then over on the side, we have a pomegranate and a lemon and an orange. Now, as you can see on the dead one, the gravel is right up to the trunk, and I'm told that's a bad thing. So I did a little bit of research and found that we need to move the drip. So you can see on this one here, the gravel and the drips right up to the trunk of the tree. We're going to move those drips away from the tree, set up a more longer interval between waterings and a deeper watering. Plus, what we've done is now those wells, we've dug them out, pulled the gravel away from the tree, and now we're putting in organic compost topped by wood chips. And we're in the process of doing that right now. I got one tree left to do. Okay, back to the backyard. In this area, this grass is going to come out. And in this area in front of us, we hope to put in a paver patio with fire pit. And then over in that area, we're going to, like I said, leave a bit of the turf. We're also, at this point here, with these trees, it'll become our orchard, and we're hoping to add 4 or 5 more trees in this area. I've got to see what we can fit in. But we plan to put like apricot, there's a variety of peach we want to put in here, and there's a few others that I've read comments from other gardening sites about that have been very successful in this environment. Over in that corner, we hope to put a moringa tree and kind of create a little tropical zone and attempt to raise some tropical plants that some people in this environment have had success doing. By the way, I live in the Southwest in Arizona in a suburb of Phoenix. And so here it can be really challenging, especially in the summer when it gets 110, 115 degrees. Anyhow, that's what we're going to try and do. If you have suggestions or ideas, let me know. Any comments, any warnings, I appreciate that too. Thank you for listening.